For many new mothers, the daily reality of feeding and pumping often feels overwhelming, especially when balancing a busy schedule with your body's needs. This guide covers the specific steps to assemble, operate, and maintain a manual breast pump, so you can express milk efficiently and without physical discomfort. To start, find a quiet place to sit and gather your supplies: a clean manual pump, a sterile storage bag, and a glass of water. Because this tool functions without cords or batteries, it allows you to pump in a car, during a break at work, or anywhere else you feel most relaxed. The hardware itself is designed for simplicity, relying on your own rhythm rather than loud motors or electrical outlets. The three main components, the flange, the handle, and the collection bottle, are designed to click together quickly, even when you're tired. For the pump to work correctly, the flange must be placed over the breast with the nipples centered directly in the middle of the opening. Once centered, press the flange firmly against your skin to create the airtight seal necessary for suction. If you feel any sharp pain, stop immediately and adjust the position, as pumping should feel snug but never painful. Getting this seal right from the start protects your sensitive tissue and ensures the pump can move milk effectively. The process uses short, quick squeezes on the handle for about 60 seconds, naturally tapers off. When you are finished, tilt the flange to the side to break the vacuum seal before you move the pump away from your body. Matching the pump speed to your body's natural flow helps you collect more milk while staying in total control of the pressure. After you finish pumping, the focus moves to proper storage and organization to keep the milk fresh for your baby. Pour the milk into a sterile storage bag and immediately label it with the date and time so you can keep track of your stash. Breast milk stays fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or in a freezer for several months for longer-term use. To keep the equipment hygienic, take the pump apart and wash every component in warm, soapy water after every use. Allow the parts to air dry completely on a clean surface before you put the pump back together for your next session. Following these sanitation and storage protocols is a necessary step to help prevent bacterial growth and maintain the quality of the milk you provide. You've now covered the full cycle, from creating a pain-free seal and finding your rhythm, to safely storing your milk and cleaning your gear. Pumping is a highly individualized process, and these steps help make that journey more predictable and manageable. If this helped make your routine a little easier, please like the video, subscribe for more tips, and tell us about your experience in the comments. With these techniques, you have a reliable, quiet way to support your baby's needs on your own terms.